Hello there, Mr. Boom here. Welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub, and in this video we're going to analyze the market for next Monday to Friday, and we're going to analyze key buy zone and sell zones, major news impacts, and smart money direction, and also high probability setup and key zones. Okay, and we will also discuss about the fundamental key zones and technical key zones also. And before we start, we need to keep your concern on two things. Number one is fundamental thing. Okay, 80% of the market controlled by fundamentals. So before we start technical analysis, we have to keep a concern on fundamental analysis, and number two is technical analysis. Okay, and we will find out key zones and key buy or sell zones, where we can sell or buy, or what can be happen in next week in market. Okay, before we start, I need to show that we just made in last week around 2240 pips with free and VIP, and daily 1 or 2 signal coming into our free Telegram channel. So you may join our public Telegram channel to get free signals, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and much more. So let's begin. As per our analysis style, we always start our analysis with high time frame, then we can find out a key zone and entry point in lower time frame. So as per my analysis style, we always start with high time frame, and before we start, we need to keep your concern number one, fundamental things. Okay, we have to discuss about that because that is really important. And right now the state of Hormuz, okay, state of Hormuz is very important thing, so we have to keep our concern number one, state of Hormuz. Okay, and Donald Trump already 7 times says that he will open the Hormuz Strait, but he is unable to open that. Okay, he will sign a ceasefire with Iran, but he was failed about that. Okay, so we have to keep our concern, and most probably next week, next Monday or next Sunday or Monday, market Hormuz Strait going to open. And if Hormuz Strait is open in Sunday or Monday, that means oil and USD price will go down, and due to gold always run with opposite direction of USD, so due to United dollar will lose its strength, gold will fly up. So if the ceasefire happens, or if the Hormuz Strait or Strait of Hormuz opens, so you have to keep a concern, gold will go for bullish. And if that thing never happen in Monday or Friday or next week, we will continue selling. That is the thing. Okay, so if the news come that ceasefire happens with Iran, we will continue buying. Otherwise, we have to keep our selling. And let's move in the technical section. In weekly time frame, let me make possible support and resistance zone over there. As you can see there, we can draw a clear trend line zone over here, and as you can see there, market just touched that particular area and again just trying to go up. That means in technically, market is still on our buying trend line, so we can continue buying maybe after a candle confirmation or twice candle confirmation. And let's remove that and go for daily time frame. As per you can see there, in daily time frame, if I want to draw possible support, resistance, and other zones, okay, let make it perfect first, then we can discuss about that. Okay, as you can see that is the trend line, and our last week analysis was in that particular area, and we say that we have to wait that breakout happens already, we have to wait for pullback, then we can continue selling, and exactly that happens into full week. Okay, and right now, if I want to try to draw a possible support become resistance area over there, that may be nearly around there, and we got a breakout from trend line zone, we got a breakout from support zone, then it continued to sell. Okay, so you must be Mr. Boom, what can be happen now, or what for now? So let's try to let's try to draw another support area in near support zone. Oh no, near support zone around there. As you can see there, we can see that it already touched our support zone and trying to go up. So market will go up or down. It really will depend on ceasefire agreement or Hormuz Strait of Hormuz open or closer. Okay, so we have to keep a concern on that thing. then we can continue, or we can decide the market momentum or market movement. So let's find out our technical key zone or technical entry in H4 or H1 time frame. Let me go in H1 time frame, then we can continue our finding our buy or sell zone. Okay, as you can see there, if I want to draw a possible trend line over there, okay, that can be perfect for now. Okay, and if I want to draw lower trend line over there, okay, in technically it says there is already a breakout, then pullback, then trying to go up. So if you are a buyer, or if Hormuz trade, okay, Strait of Hormuz going to open in Sunday or Monday, then we can continue buying from that particular area. Otherwise, if it come here, then we can buy it with that, with candle confirmation. Okay, and if the Hormuz Strait remains closer, okay, remains closer, then we have to wait for the breakout till that particular area breakout, then we will wait for a pullback, then we can continue selling. So this is the thing for now, or this is the strategy for now. So we have to wait for that particular area and for the news, and news will say everything. Okay, and you have to keep a concern all time those two things. Number one, of Strait of Hormuz. Okay, Strait of Hormuz. If Strait of Hormuz remaining closer, that means oil price will go up due to USL agreement. USD price will also go up. In that case, gold will go down. And if Hormuz Strait will open or keep opening, then oil price will go down, invested dollar price will go down, and gold price will go up. Okay, and we have number two, we have FOMC statement, okay, in next week. So you have to keep a concern on that thing also in next week while you want to trade. Okay, it may be in Thursday. So till Thursday we have to keep our concern on Hormuz Strait, then we can continue buying or selling. And in Thursday USD session or USD dollar session, we have to keep our concern on FOMC. What is FOMC saying, or what is Federal Reserve Bank's concern, then we can continue buying or selling. And none of the least, but you have to consider risks and reward ratio. So while you want to trade, always consider 1:3 risk reward ratio. So if you want to take 50 pips SL, okay, you have to consider 150 pips TP. Suppose you want to take a buy entry over there. So suppose this is your entry point, you want to keep your SL 100 pips, okay, and you have to consider your TP 300 pips. Okay, that is the thing for trading, and you have to keep your concern on that thing. So I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal or free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, link in the video description box. That is completely free, and you will get daily 1, 2, 3 free signal. And if you really like that, then you can continue our premium. Okay, so I hope all things clear now. For more query or for free signal, free chart analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, or for more query you can visit our website www.fxbillionaireHub.com. So that's for today. Mr. Boom signing out.